How to cancel Roblox private server. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to stop and cancel your Roblox private servers. If you find this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up. So in order to begin, go to the Roblox and navigate to your private servers first. You can access all of your private servers by clicking on the inventory. Then locate the section for private servers and click on My Private Servers, and here you will see the list of all your private servers on Roblox. To cancel a server, simply click on the respective game, ensure that the server is selected, scroll down and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to access the configuration settings. In the configuration page, navigate to subscription status and switch it off. Your server will not renew, but you can keep it until the expiration date. Remember that the expiration date may vary. So that's all. You have successfully cancelled the server and no further charges will be incurred unless you reactivate it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.